If you want to delete Calendly from your Jotform, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is a simple fix if you added the widget earlier and now want to remove it from your form, clean up the layout, or replace it with something else. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Jotform account. Once you're in, go to the form that contains the Calendly widget. If you manage multiple forms, make sure you open the correct one so you don't edit the wrong project by accident. After the form loads, look for the Calendly widget on the form canvas. Click directly on the widget to select it. When it's selected, you should see that it's highlighted, which tells you Jotform is ready for you to edit or remove it. Now you have two easy ways to delete it. You can simply press the delete key on your keyboard, or you can click the trash icon if Jotform shows one in the toolbar or editing panel. Either method will remove the Calendly widget from the form. Before moving on, take a quick moment to double check that the widget is gone and that the form still looks the way you want. If you had any spacing or layout changes around that widget, you may want to adjust those now so the form looks clean and professional. Once you're happy with the result, click Save to keep your changes. This is an important step because if you leave without saving, the widget removal may not be applied. And that's it. You've successfully deleted Calendly from your Jotform form in just a few clicks. It's fast, simple, and a great way to keep your forms updated as your workflow changes. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Jotform settings or integrations. Thanks for watching.